Hey guys, let's see today how to fix guided access not working on iPhone. So guys, if guided access not working on your iPhone, so I will show you in this video how to fix this issue. So the first thing first, just go to settings. You can see over here, just tap on it, and now from the settings main page, just try to find accessibility. Yeah, so you can see over here, just tap on it, and now from the accessibility page, just try to come further down. Yeah, just come a little down. You can see over here under general guided access, just tap on it, and now guys, yeah, you can see the guided access is turned on. So if it is in your case it is turned on, just go tap to turn off, and once the turn off, just try to restart your iPhone. So in order to restart your iPhone, just press the volume up and volume down button, and after that press the side main button until you see the Apple logo. Yeah, now you can see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Now you can release the finger button. Just wait for a moment. Now once your iPhone has been restarted successfully, just try to log in once again. And now guys, just go and check if your issue is fixed or not. If it is still not fixed, then go to settings, and now from the settings main page, just try to find again accessibility. You can see over here, just tap on it, and now from the accessibility page, just try to find guided access. You can see over here under general guided access, just tap on it, and now guys, just tap to turn on. Yeah, now it's turned on. And also guys, you can see the accessibility shortcut. Now just tap to turn on, and now guys, once you turn on, you can see that. So now just go to back, and guys, again just come down, you can see the accessibility shortcut. So guys, make sure that it is selected under the accessibility shortcut. So now guys, I hope your issue will be resolved. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.